I'm going to install the hard wiring kit. The problem is I don't have the fuse tab, and no stores around me have the fuse tab, so I'm going to try to make it myself. I'm going to use my Dremel. I'm going to file this off, and I'm going to try to solder it this way, and then I'm going to put a little epoxy that it stays there. Make my own fuse tabs. I'm actually going to use just my knife, and I'm here going here sideways. The thing is, the cable needs to be on the top, otherwise I won't be able to slide it in the fuse holders. So I ideally want to have the cable on the top. So this so far works well. Carving it until I meet the metal, like so.